welcome to my tutorial. My name is Kesziregbe. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this paper flower wall canvas. So continue watching. Welcome back. So I'm going to start by showing you some of the materials I'll be using to make this paper flower wall canvas. If this is your first time, please make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so you can always get videos. So you can see I have the canvas already, which I used a black satin fabric to cover up the wooden frame. I have a video that will show you how to do this. This is really simple. And then I already cut out the name. My client's name is Amusa. That's the name of the business. So I cut this out using my machine. I'll have another tutorial, focusing more on that and explaining how you can do this. So as you can see, I used a normal Ankara fabric at the back just to double that the top to make sure it's really strong and firm. Now these are the flowers that I cut out. I cut out different shapes of flowers, and what I'm basically doing is trying to get the shape of the petals that I want. I'm using this wooden brush handle to fold the papers to the kind of petal shape that I want, and this could take a while, but you have to do this. Okay, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you another video on how to cut out all your petals, how to make them, but this is just a video on how to assemble them. The other video will be added in the description box once it is ready, so you can always check. So I'm using top bond to put the petals together, and you see that I'm starting from the big petals to the small petals, and I'm just trying to make it not too evenly. I mean the shape, I'm not placing the shape so evenly because I want it to really give it that petal shape. So now next I'm going to be adding the rolled flowers, but before that I'll be adding the leaves, which I already cut out at the back to just give it that natural flower look. So you need the green leaves, which I'm using my top bond to add it to the back there. Next, this is my rolled flower. This is how it came out, and I'll just try removing the other pieces part that I don't need, and then we have the rolled flowers. I'm going to show you how to roll this flower, and it's just pretty simple. I just roll from right to left till I get to the center, and then I had my Mod Podge or top bond to seal it up right there. You can see that once I get to the center, I will allow the rolled flowers to just open up a bit to the size I want, but not too much. Okay, and then I'll add my Mod Podge to the base, hold it down for a while, then attach that to the middle of the petals right there to give it that finished flower look. And now it looks better than it was initially. So this is what I'll continue doing. I have cut out different shapes of petals. I have like different shape of petals. So as you can see, I continue the same process. I use the brush stick to shaping the petals, and now I'm adding top bond, laying it together to give it volume, about 2 or 3 of the petals. And now I'm going to add the raw flowers on top, and then I will add the leaves at the back, and you see how gorgeous this will look like. So this is the rolled flowers. I actually took my time and I rolled out everything that I have. I cut about probably 8 to 10 pieces of rolled flowers. So I add my top bond and I place it in the middle right there. Then I'm going to add the flowers at the back, and you can see it's looking really nice already. And once I'm done with this, I'll start laying the flowers, on the canvas step by step, and just begin to form the wall canvas, the paper flower wall canvas that I'm going for. So another thing I would like to show you is how to get these rolled paper flowers. They are so easy. In fact, all the flowers or the petals, they are so easy. All I have to do is go on Google and type rolled paper flowers SVG, and you can see I have different shapes there. I save it, I go on my gallery, and I have it right there, the same type. So I send this to my machine and it cut this shape. But if you don't have that, definitely you can cut this yourself. We'll get into that later in another video. Meanwhile, just watch me as I continue making this paper flower canvas, as I keep laying the papers, adding them to the canvas, and just building it up for it to look really, really, really beautiful. To the end of the paper flowers, and you can make yours more voluminous than I did mine, but this is what I did. And you can see some of the mud purge and the top bond are in some areas in the canvas. I'll just clean that up and it's going to look really beautiful. This is the final look of this. I think it looks gorgeous. So my client really loved it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please leave a comment, like and share if you love this tutorial. Bye bye.